Do you know in Microsoft Excel you can format data that meets certain condition differently? You can make them to have different font color, different font size, background color or fill color, different border. You can make them to be bold, to have italics, or you can underline them. This helps you to change the look and feel of that data that meets your condition. We call it conditional formatting. For this data, I want to give a different font color and fill color to the cell that have $3,750 and above. What I have to do is to highlight this amount cells and come to Home tab, come to Conditional Formatting under the Styles group, select it and select Highlight Cell Rules, which is the first one. I'll select greater than and I'll click it. Once I select it, this is the condition on which I want to format the data, that is $3,750. And what do I want to format it with? I want to give it light red fill as the background of the cell and dark red text as the font of the text. Once I'm okay with this, I press OK and you can see it's here. It's simple. Please let me know the country you are watching this from in the comment section. Thank you.